The toolbox is located above the drawing canvas in the centre of the designer. There are several different toolboxes containing lots of objects that you might use to design your report. There will likely be several objects that you will use more frequently than others, so we've included a feature that allows you to grab the most commonly used objects and place them into a single common toolbox. To set up your common toolbox, select it and click on the View Settings button. In the configuration screen, individually select the objects you would like to include from the left panel and click the Add button. You may use the normal Windows options of Shift and click or Control and click to select multiple objects in one go. You may also use drag and drop as an alternative to using the buttons. Once the Common Toolbox is set up for the first time, it will then be available every time you visit the report designer. However, you can still change your toolbox as you find more objects that you use on a regular basis. If you're not sure which objects might be useful, we suggest the following to start with. A heading object. There are 3 to choose from, so take your pick. The text object. This will be used often as labels on your reports. Pie charts and bar charts are also commonly used. Data lists are used for displaying data in a table format. Filter input and selectors are used for dynamic filtering of data. Finally, buttons. The button will be useful for attaching specific behaviours, and the clear filter button used for clearing any dynamic behaviours. Do remember that you can return to this screen anytime to modify your Common Toolbox settings even when you find other objects that you use on a regular basis.